Welcome to Star Tales! Look! A tiny green caterpillar just woke up, and it is very hungry. His name is Coco. Coco stretched his little legs and looked around. Wow, everything is so big, he said. I think I am hungry. Coco wiggled through the grass and saw a bright red apple. Yum! Hello, apple, he said. He munched and chewed it all. Apples are the best. But soon his tummy rumbled again. Oh, I am still hungry, Coco whispered. Next, Coco found 2 yellow bananas near a bird's nest. Bananas! Perfect! He shouted. He gulped them down quickly. Yum, yum. I am full now. No, wait. I am still hungry. His tummy rumbled louder. Coco scratched his head, confused. Then, Coco spotted 3 juicy strawberries. He was eating them happily when a beautiful butterfly flew down. Little one, take it slow, said the butterfly kindly. Sometimes food is not enough. We need other things too. Coco blinked. But I am still hungry, he said softly. Coco kept going and found 4 sweet cupcakes at a picnic spot. He ate them all, but his tummy started hurting. Ouch! I think I ate too much, he said. Just then, a wise old beetle crawled by and said, It is not how much you eat, little one. It is what you learn that helps you grow. Coco nodded slowly. The next day, Coco found 5 green pieces of broccoli. This is not my favorite, but maybe it will help me, he said. He nibbled them carefully. After a while, he felt stronger and happier. Wow, I feel good, he said with a smile. On the next day, Coco felt sleepy. He tucked himself under a leaf and whispered, Maybe I should rest and think about what everyone said. Coco dreamed of bright colors, kind words, laughter, and flying in the sky. When Coco awoke, he did not look like a caterpillar anymore. He had big, colorful wings. I am a butterfly, he shouted happily. He flew high, waving goodbye to the butterfly, the beetle, and even the birds. Thank you all for teaching me, he said. I learned that growing is not just about filling your tummy. It's about listening, learning, and being kind to others. Coco spun around, giggled, and flew into the sky, ready for new adventures. Moral: growing is not just about filling your tummy. It is about listening, learning, and being kind to others. What will Coco do next? We will see in the next episode.